Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Power down and unplug the monitor, then label cables so reconnection is painless. Lay the monitor face down on a soft, flat surface to protect the screen. This gives you access to the stand mount. Once positioned, inspect the bottom edge for a quick-release latch or visible screws. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Choose #1 or #2 depending on screw size, and loosen screws just enough to feel them disengage. This prevents stripping. With screws loosened or the latch freed, support the stand firmly to stop sudden drops that can damage the casing. If the stand is bolted to a VESA plate, unscrew each fastener one at a time while holding the stand. If it's a snap fit, press the release and slide the stand out. Make sure to check for any internal cable clips. Some Acer stands route power or sensors through the mount, so disconnect those gently. Once free, set the stand aside on a padded surface. Finish by organizing hardware. Place screws and small parts in a labeled bag and keep the original stand for warranty or resale. Reassemble everything in reverse when needed, and always test the monitor on a stable, flat surface before final placement. If you encounter problems like flicker or no power, first reseat external cables, then check internal connectors if you open the back. Poor contact is the most common culprit. If damage appears, stop and consult Acer support to avoid voiding warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.